Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finostin there, and today I'm going to do a salute on ShiningStarco GamingMasterIsCutie. Enjoy the video. ShiningStarco GamingMasterIsCutie. Yes, this user rocks so hard. I'm going to explain why that I really love this user. Number one, I really love her comfort videos. I really love her friends. I also really love her channel too. I also really love her videos too. Okay. Do you know who loves this user? Me and her friends. We love this user, and I don't know who hates this user. So ShiningStarco GamingMasterIsCutie rocks. And so does Angel Lorena Underwood, the Superstar Gamer 100. Charlie and Lola sucks. End of salute. If you have any requests about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.